Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am your host Shweta Mishra. Today we are coming Shiksha Seva Sanstha UPSC Academy and in special meeting Professor Kavita Jadhav madam. So madam, first of all you have to introduce yourself.
Fair. Thank you. I am Professor Kavita Pravin Jadhav, Director, Seva Southern UPSC Academy. This is seriously one of its own kind, And if you really want to know the basic details about me, I have done part of my education in Nagpur, in Delhi University also. Then I was in Australia as well. With all the hard work that I've done over so many years, and with the grace of the Almighty, some very good and celestial awards I have to my credit. It goes like Miss Best Personality of India in 2002, Best Debater of India, Best Debater of the World, and basically, as I told you, I'm a mathematician. Not to mention, there have been a very great syllabus of UPSC that is happening in India. I guess all my audience should really know that UPSC is just not amongst one of any competitive examination that you can get over here. This ranks in world's top third most difficult examination. Sometimes they scale it as even the second most difficult examination. So obviously the question arises, how am I associated with a UPSC Academy? I started my career as a deputy collector. I was just 21 years in age at that time. And now, I guess in the year 2001 onwards, 2002, I've been a hardcore aspirant of UPSC myself. And not to mention, I have cleared UPSC with one of the toughest options, that is going to be mathematics. So when I was an aspirant of UPSC, we had to choose two options. So one was mathematics and the other was public administration. Those days the preparation was really tough. We did not have very good guidance, neither in Nagpur. It was not so much good in and around Vidarbha also. Fortunately, unfortunately, I landed in Delhi, which is till this age, it's been a trend, Whoever aspires to become a UPSC candidate or a UPSC aspirant with near or far future, with good and bad grades, everyone wishes to go to Delhi. Now is the time. Now is the time we really need to break this trend. So this academy is just not a matter of cause. It is undergoing in its own self a very great mission. So the mission goes like, now people from Nagpur, Vidarbha, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, we are trying our level best even to go to Andhra Pradesh, to down south, to up in the north, right in the east, left in the west, and then we are going to take Seva Southern UPSC Academy to an ace level so that all the children who can or cannot afford travel to go out, they can now become wonderful collectors, commissioners, revenue generators from Nagpur itself and only under one platform, that is Seva Southern UPSC Academy.
Thank you. A very nice introduction and a very good information. First of all, we know about the establish of the Seva Southern UPSC Academy, in which time you are established and why. Why you have to need, this is a very important for all the students. So what is the behind of the
I understand, lots of things have really gone unanswered. Seva Southern UPSC Academy, though the brickwork, the spade work and even the layout of this, it's been very recent. To be really precise, 2nd April 2023 was the date when we actually came up with the decision that we are going to have Seva Southern UPSC Academy. In that, if you really count, you'll feel that this is almost a child, it's very young. But no, friends. Seva Southern UPSC Academy is under a great umbrella. The name of the umbrella is Seva Southern Shiksha Sanstha. Let me make this very clear. It's only this module and this basic section of the institution that is suddenly joined. But the institution has a very glorified history, 97 years old. It is predominantly one of the oldest, the best, the selfless and highly motivating NGO. Ramabai Ranade, we all know the great lady very well. She was wife of social worker Mr. Govind Rao Ranade. At that age, it was so difficult. I mean, me and you, we are living such a wonderful life. See, you have come for an interview. Look at the best attire that you're wearing,
Freedom,
So, exactly, liberty, freedom, consciousness. Girls, women, we have almost gone another level in our presentations. But just think about the time. I'm talking about way back 1927. A lady who was not even educated, at the age of 11 years, she got married, and with a far foresight, she fought terrifically hard in the society to get established Seva Sadan Shikshan Sansthan. That time the motive was women, they should come up, they should be independent, they should be self-reliant. हम समझ सकते हैं 1947 इंडिया गॉट फ्री. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 20 years बिफोर 1947. औरतों को बाहर घूमने की आज़ादी भी नहीं थी. एक लेडी जो एक बहुत बड़े इंसान की वाइफ करके सिर्फ 11 वर्ष की उम्र में उनका विवाह होकर आता है, एंड दैट टाइम दैट लेडी हैज अ फोरसाइटेडनेस दैट मे बी समडे और द अदर शी इज गोइंग टू बिकम एन एपिटोम फॉर ऑल द वुमेन इन एंड अराउंड इवन इंडिया आल्सो, सो एज टू स्पीक. एंड देन केम अप सेवा सदन शिक्षण संस्था.
Okay, ma'am, my question is very important for all the students.
Very much.
UPSC exam is a very tough, but still who are they prepared regarding of this exam? So my question is that how can they prepare? What they do? Special study technique, study pattern regarding of the mains, regarding of the interview, regarding of the all the study pattern. How could they do? Because it's a very tough examination to competition to all exams.
I understand. One of the best questions she is really asked, it goes like, there are 5 most difficult examinations in the world. I've already mentioned UPSC of India lands among top 3 difficult exams in the world. Actually, I don't want to speak this, but just for information's sake, the toughest examination in the world, the competitive examination, is Gaokeng. And that is obviously Chinese exam. Why do we call it as the toughest? Friends, it's not about the syllabus. It's not about the syllabus, it is the duration of the examination. That examination is continuously being held for 9 hours at a stretch. And बस उसको बोल दिया कि this is one of the toughest examinations in the world. But actually, if educationists, good professors, someone who's already deep into the ocean of education would be asked, they would, I'm pretty sure about this, no stone unturned, only educationists and all the people who are alert into the system will understand India's UPSC examination is actually the toughest in its own course. Everything is tough, provided you understand it and you don't understand it. So, how do you actually go to it? In Maharashtra, I've seen something, somewhere in the age of 20 years, 21 years, to be a little more precise, in your graduation first year, second year, final year, there we actually come to know कि अरे अब UPSC का preparation करते हैं. और ऐसे ही if you go to Bihar, you go to New Delhi, maybe even down south, Hyderabad, if I'm not wrong. So these states, the children over there, they have UPSC in their DNAs already. And actually it comes up somewhere in the age of hardly 10 or 11 years. उस हिसाब से देखा जाए तो हम बहुत लेट हैं. ग्रेजुएशन में आकर एक मील का पत्थर रखना एंड देन यू वांट टू से कि अब मैं यूपीएससी करना चाहता हूँ एंड सडनली यू वांट टू क्रिएट अ मिरेकल एंड समथिंग ओवरनाइट जो एक फेरी होती है वैगबॉन्ड जैसा कुछ या कुछ घुमा ले और जादू हो जाए, ऐसा नहीं होता. So the correct stage to prepare UPSC, if you ask me, should be the moment you enter even your teens, somewhere from 11-12 years. अब हम ये सोचते हैं 11-12 साल का तो बच्चा है, उसको इतना प्रेशर में कैसे डालेंगे? जलती ज्वाला में जलकर ही लोहा लाल निकल आता है. So it's not pressure, it's only performance. Actually, it depends on you how you take it. Almost so many children I've trained, if you ask me the number, it would be around 1,20,000. So it's not less. Such a big number of students I've trained in mathematics and in UPSC. Fortunately, I've been training children in GRE, in GATE exams, in JEE also, in UPSC also. So, being an educationist and already a swimmer in the same ocean of UPSC, you should take UPSC as just other normal course that you're taking. Normally we all know एक trend हो गया है कि अगर आप आर्ट्स के सब्जेक्ट्स लेते हैं तो जल्दी हो जाएगा, अपने मैथमेटिक्स इंजीनियरिंग के ऑप्शंस ये नहीं लेना चाहिए. I don't deny completely, right? But somewhere or the other, there's a Nike that you're going to create it for your own self. Like I am an odd person out in this. मैथमेटिक्स लेकर मैं रैंक 35 आई थी इंडिया में और कोई सलाह भी नहीं देगा कि आपने यूपीएससी में मैथमेटिक्स लेना चाहिए. तो यू प्रिसाइसली शुड टेक इट इनटू योरसेल्फ. प्रिपरेशन कैसे करना चाहिए? राइट फ्रॉम क्लास 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th एनसीईआरटी की बेसिक बुक्स उठाइए. बेसिक बुक्स, व्हेन आई एक्चुअली से बेसिक आई मीन ज्योग्राफी, पॉलिटी, सिविक्स, हिस्ट्री. अब इनको लीजिए. ज्योग्राफी आप इनको लेकर पढ़ना शुरू करिए. आपका एप्टीट्यूड बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. एक बचपन से हमको आदत होना चाहिए एवरी डे एटलीस्ट फॉर हाफ एन आवर. we should have the discipline to read newspapers. आज हम और आप ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर मे भी ऐसा, ये हमारी कन्वेंशनल आदत हो गई है इंडिया में. मैं अपने बच्चों को ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि क्यों ना ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर के साथ में एक आदत और डाल ली जाए, सिर्फ आधा घंटा रोज न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने की. वो न्यूज़पेपर का सिलेक्शन भी करेक्ट होना चाहिए. हमें कोई गॉसिप्स नहीं पढ़ना, हमें बिग टाउन, बॉलीवुड, हॉलीवुड इनके बारे में नहीं पढ़ना है. हमें ये पढ़ना है कि व्हाट इज इंडिया, हाउ डज द पॉलिटी इन इंडिया वर्क, what is happening in the world that is actually going to maybe address, attend or react your national phenomenon. So students should start it the earlier the better, as I've already told you. एक बड़ा सा ट्रेंड मैंने सेवा सदन यूपीएससी एकेडमी का पत्थर का मील करके रखा हुआ है. एंड व्हाट इज दैट? समथिंग दैट इज नेवर हैपन इन इंडिया, एंड दैट इज वाई देयर इज अ ट्रीजर. हम लोगों ने सबने एक ट्रीजर मिलकर बनाया है. उसमें आई हैव गिवन अ सेंटेंस, this is going to be a landmark in India. Mark my words. Hardly near of our future, this academy will have wonderful not just branches, franchisees. People from outside will be welcoming us to enter into and take admissions over here. इस अकेडमी की छत्रोछाया सेवा सदन शिक्षण संस्था के अंतर्गत हुई है. बहुत अच्छा काम हो रहा है नागपुर में. गडकरी सर ने इतना नागपुर की काया पलट कर दी है. So how can the lady be right back? I'm actually talking about Honorable Shrimati Kanchan Nitin Gadkari. मैं उनसे लगभग 1 महीने से 10-15 बार उनके साथ बैठी हूँ, उनकी आइडियोलॉजी देखी है. She never behaves as if she is a very leading lady of Nagpur and no air in her. जिसको हम कहते हैं ज़मीन पे रहना. She is actually a very grounded and humbled person, And take me seriously. I was not motivated to speak this, Like I'll just speak whatever I have actually experienced. ये लोगों का विजन इतना सुंदर है कि इस संस्था के अंतर्गत there are already 9 educational institutes which are actually happening. I am very sure हम सब ने कभी भी सेवा सदन शिक्षण संस्था की कई एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स नहीं देखी. क्यों नहीं देखी? अच्छी चीज़ को ज़रूरत ही नहीं होती है. जब मैं यहाँ पहली बार एंटर हुई, I was really happily shocked, surprised to see almost 4,000 students under this banner of Seva Sadan Shikshan Sansthan. It actually goes like pre-primary school, primary school, state board, CBSE board, junior college, senior college, YCMOU, and to add to this lovely crown, 10th module is actually Seva Sadan UPSC Academy. ज़रूरत खास इसलिए ही पड़ी है, किसानों के बच्चे, गरीब माँ बाप के बच्चे, हमारे और आपके घर में जो हेल्प आते हैं, डोमेस्टिक हेल्प, उनके भी बच्चे. मैं और आप तो भगवान जी की दया से हम लोग अच्छे खाते पीते जी रहे हैं. बट समवन रियली हैज़ टू टेक अ कॉल फॉर ऑल दोज पीपल हु आर बेसिकली डाउन ट्रॉडन इन सोसाइटी, हु विल थिंक अबाउट देम. कंचन गडकरी मैम ने ये हिम्मत दिखाई. एंड देन वी थॉट कि समथिंग दैट इज हैपनिंग ओनली इन न्यू दिल्ली. आप इसको बहुत आसान मत समझिए. हालांकि हम लोगों ने 1 महीने में उतना काम किया है जो इंडिया के किसी भी रेप्यूटेड इंस्टीट्यूट कम से कम 11 महीने लेती जो काम करने के लिए. दैट वी हैव डन इन 1 month ओनली. और इसका कारण क्या था? भारतीय नारी सब पे भारी. यहाँ एक नहीं 3 भारतीय नारी है. एंड वी ऑल 3, आई प्रिसाइसली वॉन्ट टू नेम मैडम कंचन गडकरी, इज हैव ऑलरेडी स्पोकन. वासंती जी भागवत मैम, हु इज एक्चुअली द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ सेवा सदन शिक्षण संस्थान. और मुझ नाचीज को आप इंटरव्यू जिनका ले ही रहे हैं, मैं प्रोफेसर कविता जाधव, एक्टिंग एज द डायरेक्टर ऑफ दिस. 1 महीने में हम लोगों ने दिन रात एक करके, जब मैं बोलती हूँ मैं सच में कहती हूँ, आप मेरे पीछे यहाँ के स्टाफ का किसी का भी इंटरव्यू लीजिए, दे विल टेल यू कि मैम कम्स हियर अर्ली मॉर्निंग, समटाइम्स 5:30, sometimes 6 o'clock, and so many times I have left this premises around 12:30 midnight, 1 AM. तो जहाँ पर आज नागपुर में इधर उधर लोग घड़ी दिखते हैं, 4 घंटा हो गया, हम थक गए, हमको घर जाना है, वहाँ हम तीनों लेडीज अथक प्रयास करके यहाँ बैठी रहती है. वाई? इतना आसान नहीं है दोस्तों. अगर मैं ये कहती हूँ कि आई वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट अ ट्रेंड when now students from Vidarbha, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, they should not go to Delhi for the preparation of UPSC. तो जब हम इतने जिम्मेदारी से कोई बात कर रहे हैं तो no stone left unturned. We are really working almost 24/7. मैं तो अपने छात्र मित्रों को और मेरे सारे स्टाफ को ये भी बोलती हूँ, आई एम वर्किंग 26 hours out of 24 hours. So आप वो हिसाब लगाइए, मैथमेटिकली रॉन्ग साउंड करता है, बट विद द zeal, endeavor and the single minded devotion that we are actually going through. So सेवा सदन UPSC Academy के अंदर not just those who are very well brought up, who are well off in the social structure, but even those who are poor, who are actually needy, but there's a lot of talent in them. So this module is absorbing even the poorest of the poor child.
Correct.
So that goes the social cause.
This is a very important information. If you want to
It is.
UPSC crack exam, so you should have to basically strong regarding of your education, your atmosphere, premises. It is also important. But first of all, what do you think about yourself? You can do regarding of your parents after 5th to 6th standard. You should be prepared about that. You think in your mind you have to do this exam to crack. Suddenly, if you think about that, you cannot be crack this exam.
Rome was also not built
It's
already.
not clear. So that's why it's a basic, it's the most important. After fifth standard, we should have to think about this exam. Then after we will be crack. It's the more important.
Yes, exactly. I would, sorry to interrupt, I would just love to repeat one thing. Sooner or later, I guess in past, to be a little more precise, around 10 days, I have been having wonderful parents who are coming to me. कुछ लोग आते हैं, उनके बच्चे ग्रेजुएशन में हैं, कोई 8, 9, 10 क्लास में है. Believe it, when they spoke to me, they got the aura of the premises and made the vision, the mission and the cause. They actually requested me, to take their siblings who are now into class 8, 9, 10 also. तो ग्रेजुएशन वगैरह तो बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. Somewhere or the other, mentally graduates, we have got doctors, we have got engineers as students over here, we have law graduates, we have management people, we have commerce graduate, we have arts. तो wonderfully speaking students बहुत सारे आए हैं. मैं एक बात आपको अब ऐसी बताऊंगी, शायद आप इस पर विश्वास ही नहीं करेंगे. 10 दिन में around 350 people have walked in. तो I should have been very rich. All the seats full. मैं बाहर एक बोर्ड लगा सकती थी, sorry admissions full. We did not do that. I personally, I am talking to the children in the absence of their parents. And when I feel that they are appropriate, so we are just taking only those selected few whom I feel are actually going to be just not aspirants for UPSC. They shall be 100% collectors and commissioners of India. The bureaucracy will now rise from Maharashtra.
Okay.
That's the
We have a
ideology.
quality. We not
They
believe
do.
in quantity. We believe in quality of student.
See, ये क्वांटिटी पर भी आती हूँ मैं. सॉरी टू से, नागपुर आजकल एक कमर्शियलाइज्ड जोन बन गया है अकेडमीज एंड ट्यूशन क्लासेस का. उसमें कहीं से तो आ जाता है सेवा सदन यूपीएससी अकेडमी. आई एम द लास्ट वन हु वुड रियली पॉइंट आउट एनीथिंग अबाउट क्वांटिटी. हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं 100 कौरव और 5 पांडव 105 रुपये, उनको भी पढ़ाया गया एक साथ. So there is no question about quality and quantity. It is how well can you address each and every person, है ना? So every person is really important. मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी वो limited batches, 30:1 ratio, 40:1 ratio. क्या गलत है बताइए? अगर आज मेरे अंदर एनर्जी है, मैं 200 को एक साथ लेकर पढ़ा सकती हूँ और वो 200 में से 200 मुझे रिजल्ट दे रहे हैं, तो फिर क्वांटिटी का मैटर ही कहाँ आता है? अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम लोग ऐसे डिबेट्स में फंसे हुए हैं जो आज कुछ कीवर्ड्स हो गए हैं. क्वांटिटी, क्वालिटी, टाइमिंग, सेक्स बायस, जेंडर. मुझे लगता है भारत को आधी रात को आज़ादी मिली थी, अब बहुत लंबा समय आ गया, अब सवेरा हो जाना चाहिए. सो लेट अस लीव बिहाइंड ऑल दीज बिग वर्ड्स. लेट अस फोकस ओनली ऑन द ब्यूटिफुल एंड यंग माइंड्स. वो तैयार है. अगर वो तैयार है तो मैंने और आपने थकना क्यों चाहिए, है ना? कहीं ना कहीं सबसे बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है शिक्षकों की. वी टीचर्स हैव टू नाउ टेक अ कॉल. वी आर वर्किंग अंडर द ब्रैकेट. If I've paid 1 lakh, I'll be working for 4 hours. If I'm paid maybe 2 or 3 lakhs, again I'll be working only for 2 hours. Please break this. Don't calculate the amount of the salary that you're getting with the quality and the quantity of hours of work that you're rendering. It actually should be selfless service. एक बहुत बड़ी बात मैं अभी एक और बोलूँगी, शायद ये भी कहीं नहीं हुआ है, नागपुर में क्या इंडिया में ही. We are really blessed to have such wonderful teachers over here. कुछ टीचर्स ऐसे भी होते हैं जो पहले ये पूछता है कि व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द रेम्यूनरेशन. और कुछ सज्जन भद्र पुरुष ऐसे भी आए हैं who have actually told me till the cause is complete we are not going to take a single penny as remuneration. Hats off to this. इसको कहते हैं सर्विस. And education, it is not a brand, it is not commercialization. Education is one of the best service that India has had in it. तो ये सर्विस के मोटो से हम लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं.
बहुत ही अच्छी वेरी गुड इन्फॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग ऑफ कविता जाधव मैम. And if you want to crack UPSC exams, you should to come here. And first of all, I have to say whatever things I am just telling and just watching all the people, all the audience. So it's a very valuable things. Again, if you have any questions, so you can write on comment box. Definitely be sure to conduct a next video regarding this topic. And we will be meet you again. You can watch only SM News Live 24. I am your host Shweta Mishra. Thank you so much.
I would just love to say, Seva Southern UPSC Academy batches are beginning from 14th of May. And we have over here wonderfully 4 modules. Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 4. So Module 1 is my brainchild, something that has never happened in India. Please visit us. Thank you, Shweta. It was great interacting.
Nice meeting.
A lot of compliments to Live 24 and
SM News Live 24.
it's news, SM News Live 24. और जिस हिसाब से ये लोग भी काम कर रहे हैं, कहीं तो अब सराहना होनी चाहिए. हमें ऐसा लगता है मीडिया समथिंग जो बड़ा चढ़ा के बताती है, बट आई बीन वॉचिंग दीज पीपल, यू नो, आई वॉज बैक टू बैक इन टू मीटिंग्स. इतने शांति से कैमरामैन हमारे और श्वेता जी, ये दोनों इतने शिद्दत से बैठे थे. मैंने कॉफ़ी ऑफर की, वो भी नहीं किया. इसको भी सेल्फलेस सर्विस बोलते हैं, ये भी मार्क करना चाहिए. थैंक यू. वील मीट वेरी सून.